If you have seen my previous video about carrots, you already know how great they are. If not, I can tell you that they are packed with vitamin A, C and E, and they are amazing for damaged hair and split ends. So, for this remedy, all you are going to need is 1 small carrot with a little bit of water and then blend it. We are making a carrot juice for this remedy, and after that, sieve it to get the juice. Once you've done that, just add 2 tablespoons of a mask of your choice and 1/4 of an oil. Today I'm using olive oil, but you can choose whichever is best for your hair. Mix it together and it should look like this. To apply this mask, all you have to do is wash your hair with the shampoo, remove the excess of water and then just apply it. I personally like to divide my hair and apply it layer by layer, but you can apply it whichever way you like, and just use a shower cap and leave this mask for 30 minutes and rinse it off. Just make sure that you also apply a conditioner to close the cuticles of your hair to keep the hydration in for longer. And here's the result of making remedies at home such as this one. This is a very easy and simple way to make a mask, especially for damaged hair and if you have any split ends. I hope you stick around and check out my next videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!